truly bogged here, right on the crest of a dune. Not a big one, but enough to get us bogged, especially with the trailer. So we use the MaxTrax or any kind of tread to dig ourselves out. We use them as a bit of a spade to clear the sand out from in front of the tyre, and also make a bit of a running ramp to get out of here. So we've got to clear away a bit of the sand so that when the tyre grabs onto the MaxTrax, it won't then be climbing, it'll still be going sort of across the top of the dune rather than still going up. So we just get rid of some of this excess sand, and then the idea is we place the MaxTrax under the leading edge of the tyre, and hopefully we'll be able to get out of here. We've done this to the other three, and the idea is that the tyre will grab onto those MaxTrax, grab onto those ripples, pull the vehicle up and over, and also pull out the trailer. We'll see how we go.